In this video, I wanted to show you how to clear your File Explorer recent files history in Windows. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 PC or laptop and you want to clear and delete your File Explorer recent files, like as we can see here, recent files, and if you want to delete these all files, so click on File. Now click on Change Folder and Search options. Now here you will see the option Clear File History. So click on it and click on OK. So as we can see, we deleted and clear all recent file history in File Explorer. Thanks for watching.